Hello. I had many students today ask about the question number 12. So this is the answer for question number 12. Given t of x equals x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus 8. Find the values of a and b such t1 equals 12 and t3 equals negative 18. To solve this, all you need to do is just change every single x to the number they want you to use inside of the parentheses. Excuse me. So the first one, t1 equals 12. That means when x equals 1, the whole equation equals 12. So we're going to have 12 equals x cubed becomes 1 cubed because they want you to use 1 to replace this x. So you have 1 cubed plus a times 1 squared plus b times 1 plus 8. When you clean up this, you will have 12 equals 1 cube is 1, 1 squared is 1, 1 times a is a, 1 times b is b, plus 8. On the right side, when you combine the like term, 1 plus 8 equals 9, so that's how you get 12 equals a plus b plus 9. Of course, you can clean up more. If I subtract the 9 from each side, then I have a 3 equals a plus b. That's just one single equation I get from this t1. Besides this, I also have t3 equals negative 18. In that case, mean when x equals 3, t of x equals negative 18. The whole equation equals negative 18. So I should have negative 18 equals x cubed is 3 cubed plus a times x squared, which is x has been replaced by 3, so 3 squared, plus b, x, which is b times 3, plus 8. So 3 cubed should give you 27. 3 squared give you 9. 9 times a is 9a. 3 times b is 3b, plus 8. 27 plus 8 is 35. Hey, at this time I can subtract the 35 from each side. So my left side will be negative 18 minus 35, which is negative 53. On my right side is 9a plus 3b. All right, kind of look close to the one what we want. Now we just have to solve for a and b. Just like in algebra 2, what you guys learned, you can do two ways. Number one, you can do the substitution, because if 3 equals a plus b, then a will equal 3 minus b. I would like to replace this a to this 3 minus b to this equation. So this whole thing, we change color, will becomes negative 53 equals 9 times a, and a is 3 minus b, and plus 3b. When you distribute, you will get a negative 53 equals 3 times 9, 27 minus 9b plus 3b. Okay, just like how you solve algebra question, you just combine like a term. For me to get rid of 27, I'm going to subtract the 27 on each side. So on my left side, I will have a negative 53 minus 27. That will give you negative 80. On the right side, this 27 minus 27 is 0. So negative 9b plus 3b, which is you have a negative 6b. Okay, for me to isolate the b on one side, I need to get rid of this negative 6. So I'm going to go ahead, divide by negative 6 on each side, cancel, cancel. I eventually get my b, which is negative 80 divided by negative 6. After you reduce negative divided by another negative, that gives you a positive. Okay, 80 and 6 after you reduce is 40 over 3. So that is our p-value. Once you have this p-value, we need to plug back in to figure out A. If B is 40 over 3, now A is 3 minus 40 over 3 to give you A. Because we don't have the same denominator, I would like to have 3 right now. Currently is 1. 3 over 1 is 3. That's why we don't need to write when denominator is 1. So in order for me to make this 1 becomes 3, I need to multiply by 3 top and bottom at the same time. In other words, I have a 9 over 3 minus 40 over 3 equals 8. This will give you negative 31 over 3 equals 8. I hope this helped.